2026 be the big comeback year for housing? All signs say yes. After a slower couple of years, the market is finally showing some signs of momentum. Sales are projected to rise. And as we move into 2026, mortgage rates are trending lower. Home price growth is finally cooling off, and this means more inventory, more opportunity, and less pressure on buyers and sellers. 2026 could be the year smart movers re-enter the game and get ahead, but only if they get started right now, early in the year. Thinking about buying and selling and investing this year in 2026? Give me a call or send me a message. I'll be happy to send you a personalized market snapshot of your local area to give you an idea of what your property may be worth or what the housing market may be for you if you're a buyer. Wendell Hodges, RE/MAX Associates.